Hello everybody, we're going to demonstrate the reflection area. About it, the people like have the cough, the flu, and release the frame. How to do it? Okay, we're starting like usual. Soak the feet in the hot water, warm hot between for 15-20 minutes, and then we starting use the oil, put all over. First, like usually suppose push the whole foot reflection area like the usual, but now I like a shortcut. It pretend already do it for the whole foot. Okay. We starting for the release the frame of the cough or the flu. So okay, now use the hand. This is the lung area. This is the lung area right here. Okay, we starting. Use the hand like this, like a warm up first. Push. Warm up. Push. For a while. Okay, we're starting. Use finger like this. Push. 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 If the person they really cough or discomfort in the lung, they have to do something, some noise like cricket. Like that. Push for a while. Like this. Oh. And then the branch. Okay, the second. Okay, in between the big thumb and this area. Okay, use same thing. Use the finger, push, push from here to the in towards your body. Push. So one more is your nose. This area, this. So we use the thumb, hold it like this, push. If you have some sinus, they still will have something reaction. Okay. Okay. We have the other reflection points. Okay. Right here, the bone around here. Right here in the middle. This is the one. If you have this frame in your throat, okay, use the thumb like this. Push. Push. Use these two. You can use this like this. Push. Both same thing. To measure right here in the middle, use the finger like this. Push. One more. The other reflection point is okay. This is the ankle, the bone. Measure with your finger, forefinger. The other forefinger. The other two. Right here, but towards the bone. See the bone right here, like two finger right here. Same thing. We measure the same things right here. You push, push. If you more power, is same thing. Use this thumb, this finger, push. Suppose they have little shore right here, and then right here. You can push all that all over again. If you can do every day, the cough and the frame will release it. And then this is very good, the reflection point. You can follow to do it. Thank you very much. And then see you next time. Thank you. Please give me a like.